Hello, welcome back again. So now in this case we're going to try to reverse a sequence. Now when I say a sequence, I mean that we're trying to reverse, let's say, a list. It can be a list. It can be a list. They can be, let's say, bytes. They can be strings. They can be tuples. All these sequences are called sequences because they have a list of, let's say, digits. Something that even makes sense, but okay. Now, to reverse a sequence, you can use a loop. You can use a for loop, you can use a while loop. But that is really tedious. Let's give an example. If I wanted to reverse this sequence. So to reverse this sequence, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, let's say B will equal to my new sequence. Then I'll say position. Position will equal to, let's say the position will equal to the length of A minus 1. So now the length of A is, let's say, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. There are 10 elements in this list. But the positions in this list start from 0 and end at 9. That's why I've subtracted 1 so that I get exactly at position 9. So what I do, then I'll run my for loop. Let's say for x, let's say for x in A. So for x in A, what I'm going to say B dot append, let's say A position, meaning that at the beginning it's going to append the position 9, which is 20. Then after that, I will have to update my position so that in the next iteration it's not the same. So I'll say position will equal to position, let's say minus 1. So this is going to run through and append everything to B. Then I'm going to print, let's say, B. I'm going to print B. So when I print B, you can see that this list has been reversed. But this is a very long, tedious procedure. So in sequences, when you want to reverse simply, what you can do, you can just say, let's say I want to reverse this, I can say print. Then what I can do, I can say A. Then I put my brackets, I put double semicolons, then -1. And then I print, and it has reversed the list in just one line. So that's what reversing a sequence is, and this can also be used in strings. Let me just give an example. For example, I wanted to reverse a string. Let's say B is equal to start. Let's give it a string start. I need to reverse this. What I would just do, I'll just put here B, and it will reverse it for me. It has reversed for me start into tracks. So you can even use it for a tuple, but a tuple is immutable, and probably if you are doing that, you'll have to put it in a new tuple. So that's how we reverse a sequence. Remember that a sequence can also be strings, tuples, lists, and even bytes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed or gained something from this video, subscribe.